Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for today's video. So glad you're here. Hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out with us. I'm Laura if you're new to my channel. This is Wyatt, this is Zena. And for today, I have not one, but two unboxings for you. So first up is my Rocksbox. I'm loving the new boxes. You guys know I love anything with a palm leaf on it. So loving the new summer inspired boxes. Rocksbox does come in an outer bag. Keep everything. It all goes, anything you don't want to keep goes back inside the box and into the bag. And then they give you a return label, which we'll see inside this little box. So Rocksbox is a jewelry rental subscription, $21 a month. If you decide to keep an item inside your box, that $21 rental fee does go against the cost of any item you decide to keep. If you do not use it within the month, then you do lose it. So just make sure you make your decision within the month. If you decide you love all three pieces and wanted to keep them, you could drag that out for 3 full months. For instance, month 1, use your $21 credit for the first item, wait till month 2, and then use your $21 credit for the second item. Month 3, use your $21 credit for the third item, and then buy all 3 pieces. And there is a buy 3 discount, which I believe is $10, and it will recognize it when you buy that third piece. All right, let's dig into my box. So as soon as I open it, I see a little sheet. I like says time to shine. This has prices for your jewelry items. I also get a little care card and then my bundle. And you also see right here at the bottom is a return label. Okay, first up, I have a necklace. You do get to preview your items, so when your set comes, you'll get 24 hours to preview your set. If you miss it, they'll just send you the items. Otherwise, take a look at them, and then you can swap pieces if there's anything in there that you'd prefer not to get. Okay, so as I said, the first item is a necklace, and this is a 2-tiered necklace. I do swap out my pieces if there's something I think I won't wear, because I truly want to get pieces that I like and I'm going to wear. Even if I don't think I'll keep them, I want to try them. I like this service to try new trendy pieces and items that I think are a little maybe outside my comfort zone, and I want to see if I'll like them. This is so pretty. It's a gold double tiered, and I love this drop of the turquoise. Gorgeous. All right, let's see what it says about it, and I'll try to put it on. So this one is called the Dusk Maya Layered Y Necklace. It says that the retail price for this is $75 and the member price is $63. Does have quite a bit of room to adjust the length of it, make it longer or shorter. I think that is so pretty. Here's a closer look. You guys can see that. I like the double strand here. So nice and delicate. Okay, there's more. I think I have 2 necklaces this time and a pair of earrings that I picked. Here's the earrings. These are cute. These are by Aster. They're called the Willow Drop. $45 is the retail, $38 is the member price. I think those are such a nice size. Zena is making so much noise right now. I don't know what that's about. Both of these pups are licking their feet like crazy. So they were out in the grass recently, and apparently they must need to do some paw cleaning. All right, earrings are in. What do you think? I think the size of these is just perfect. I like those. One more item, as I mentioned, it's another necklace, also with this turquoise inspired look. How pretty is this? Ooh, this is even prettier than I expected. Check that out. All those pretty beads. This one also has a long expanded chain here so that you can adjust it to be longer or shorter. I love that. Has a little bit of a paper clip chain there and a variety of beading. Okay, this one is called the Wild Manila Necklace, and it is $55, retail $46 is the member price. And I think this looks so cute together, which is why I paired it. So yes, I did swap out some pieces. So I'm going to try these on together and see what they look like. How about that? So pretty. I think it fits right there between the tiers. I know here's the top one. Hopefully you guys can see that. I think that's so pretty. And there's all the pieces. All right, that is my Rocksbox. All of the pieces would be $175. The member discount, so that between the retail and the member is $28, plus the my monthly credit $21, and then the buy 3 10. So I'd get $59 off if I wanted to keep everything. I do like this set. Oh, this one might be the first time I ever keep 3. I've never kept all 3 before. I have kept 2 and I've dragged it out. So I always use my $21 towards everything. So this one might be a first. Okay, let's keep going because I also have to share with you today my Walmart Beauty Box. This is a seasonal subscription. Basically, they just charge you for the cost of shipping, which I believe is $7.50 a season. And they send you samples inside, and usually get several. So let's see what's inside here. Here's what I see when I open it. You always get a little pamphlet that tells you all about it. And I see like a bunch of the stuff in here this time. So this will tell you about all the products inside your box. And let's go for it. First up, I see Filler Instinct from NYX Professional Makeup. So this looks like lip gloss. This is called Sugar Pie Plumping Lipped Color. Let's see what this looks like if I can get this open quickly. Okay, here's the color. I had something else on, so Cena's running around causing so much distraction today, it's not even funny. Made it a little bit darker. It's nice. I like it that it's like glossy. This is a full size is $8. And this is the NYX Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Color. And colors will vary that you get inside your box. All right, next up, what have I got? I got Suave Pink Smooth Performer Sulfate-Free Shampoo. This is sample sizes. So it comes in 1, 2, 3 here. 1 is cleanse, 2 is condition, and 3 is style. So I even gave you some Smooth Perform anti-frizz cream for styling. So that's the last one here. All right, and Shampoo and conditioner full size are $4.98 each, and as I said, in the regular size as well as the cream. So this is less frizz, more shine, formulated with amino acids complex. This system primes your hair from the inside out for manageable, style-ready tresses. Next, what do I have? Find Your Happy Place Girls Night Out Hand Cream. This is flour and sugar cane. This is a nice size for your purse, 1 full ounce. And this one says $3.47 for a full size, and the scents will vary. More, let's see, what are these? Okay, so this is Listerine Ready Tabs. There's 8 tablets in here. Chew to transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds. $5.97 for 24 tabs. They shared 8 of them here. So these are chewable, fresh breath tablets transformed from solid to liquid seconds, helping fight bad breath for up to 4 hours anytime, anywhere. So these are great to have in your purse, aren't they? I've not tried these. Let me know if you have, but I'm kind of anxious to give it a try. 2 more things in here. Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. This is $50. A full size of this is valued at $14.49 at 3 ounces. This is just 0.35 ounces, so suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Lightweight formula protects and hydrates skin without clogging pores. And my last item is another Cetaphil product. This is Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. And a full size at 6 ounces would be $7.94. It's a facial cleanser you can use every day for improved texture and a radiant, glowing complexion. And that's the last item. So several fun pieces for basically just shipping. I got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Trial size products. You can see if you like them before you buy anything. That's everything. What'd you think? How many of you give the Walmart box a try? I think it's fun to try the samples, plus I like sharing it with you. And that's everything I have today. Loving my Rocksbox pieces, I have to tell you. This was a good set. I love doing Rocksbox. All right, I'll put all the information for both Rocksbox and the Walmart Beauty Box down below. Hope you had fun with me today. As always, I did with you. Please do hit that like. Would love you hanging for long. I'll hit that subscribe. And until next time, bye everybody.